Hello everybody, Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I got you something very interesting today. I'm gonna show you to this video how you're gonna solve this particular problem. You have created a page. Let's say we have created a page here with Elementor, but at the same time we want, let's see here, I'm gonna edit the page. You see, I have a slug, this slug, and when I try to open the page with the Elementor, I get the error 404. Okay, that means that the page does not exist. That's happening because we have changed over here from the settings the permalinks, and we start creating the page using the plane. Okay, using the plane, if you select plane and you try to open the same page, see, I'm gonna try straight to open with the Elementor, you're gonna see that everything is working normally, and everything is working just fine. That means that the problem is the slug. You see, when you change it to page ID 281, and it becomes with a nice slug, let's say contact us, it's not gonna work to Elementor. Let me show you how you're gonna fix this problem. So if you're dealing with this kind of problem, you see, when you change it to post name and not from plane, the only reason that this could not work with Elementor, it's gonna be just the web server. So the only thing you have to check is how is the web server is working, and if it's using Nginx or Apache, and edit so that it's gonna work normally with this with the SEO and the permalinks. I'm gonna show you to CWP7 how this is done. You see, we can check from the control panel from the user, and we can see the domain, and be sure that we have the latest FPM version. So that means that we are using Nginx. And the next thing that it's very important to this situation is to go to the control panel of the server and ensure that the web server configuration it's working normally on Nginx with PHP FPM, but over here the template should be something that it's compatible with this kind of permalinks, and to work normally with WordPress. Here to Free Spirits we have the WordPress SSL. That's a template that it's working normally, and it's working perfectly with WordPress hosting. And at the same time there is Laravel and Magento and PrestaShop, but even Joomla. You see that with these templates everything's gonna work normal, and when there is a change to the permalinks, you're not gonna have any problem at all, and everything is gonna work normally, even to if you change to the post name. So now if we go to all pages and click to edit with Elementor, you're gonna see that very fast it's gonna open without any problem. You see? Thank you very much. Hope that was helpful video, and I will see you to the next one. Wish you the best, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and why not share this video with your friends.